Procedure text. How to make coffee. What you'll need to brew coffee in a pot. It doesn't take much to brew perfect coffee. As a matter of fact, it only takes 3 things. 1. Filtered water. The fewer impurities in the water, the less competition for the true flavor of the coffee. 2. Correct proportions. Regardless of machine type, use 2 tablespoons of grounds per 8 ounces of water, and then adjust to your taste from there. 3. The right grind. It differs by machine, but generally the more time coffee grounds spend in contact with water, the coarser the grind and vice versa. 4. Learn more about how to grind coffee beans to match the kind of coffee you're making. Basic steps to make perfect coffee. Here are the basic steps to make coffee, assuming you're not making it with an automatic coffee machine. 1. Line the basket of your coffee maker with a filter. Grind coffee beans to medium or medium fine grind size. Bring filtered water to a boil, then let it sit for a minute. 2. Pour enough water into the filter to wet it completely, and let it drain into your cup or coffee pot. Discard the water. 3. Measure the ground coffee into the wet filter. Pour in enough water to wet the ground beans and drain into your cup or coffee pot, then pour in the rest of the water. 4. If you thrill to the chill, maybe iced coffee is your jam.